friends, welcome back to Physics Tech YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. A long back ago, scientists believed that a whale needed a medium to travel. But there is a question. What is that? How a light came to the earth from the sun? In between sun and earth there is no such a medium. Then scientists assumed that there is a medium called ether. Our ether is not in the ether in chemistry. Then scientists tried to find the presence of ether. How to find the presence of ether? Any idea? Let's start. Then here I am putting a beam splitter. After that, we can place a mirror here and also here. One mirror is stationary and the other mirror is movable. This is my light source. This is the receiver. Then we can transmit the light wave from the source. If the light wave reached here at the beam splitter, it split into two. One wave will transmit like this and another one is more like this. After that, you will know that a mirror can reflect a light ray. Then the light will come like this. Then here the light will join and we can get an output from the receiver. This experiment is known as Michelson-Morley experiment. Michelson and Morley tried to find the existence of ether. From this, if we get constructive interference, else we can say that the presence of ether. Fortunately or unfortunately, they got constructive interference, which means that there is no ether medium in the universe. Then they proved that electromagnetic waves can travel without a medium. I think that you got the idea. If you like this video, just share to your friends. We can discuss another topic in another video.